I'm doing retainer reviews today, and young Paris has been really good at wearing her retainer, but one thing that a lot of kids forget is that when their retainer's out of the mouth, it desiccates. A lot of the calcium from the saliva will build up on the retainer. So this is the retainer we use. It's called a Hawley retainer. A couple of tips. Some children try to take the retainer out from the front. Don't do that because that loosens the retainer, gets it out of shape. Retainer should be removed by putting your fingers at the back and clicking the retainer out. So that's one little tip on retainers. Now you can see the side of the retainer that's not in contact with the palate is always shiny, like it's just come from the laboratory. The other side is the problem. Can you see all this tartar that's building up? That's a good thing for me because I know that Paris is wearing her retainer. When I see a kid who says they're wearing the retainer and I turn it the other way and it looks like it's just been made, I know they're actually lying to me. What I suggest to parents is when the retainer's not in the mouth, you soak it in a glass of water and you put some tablets in. I like these tablets, they're called MyoClean. They're actually an Australian invention. And what they do is they remove the smell from the retainer and they soften up this hard tartar so that the patient can then use a toothbrush and clean that off. Because if that's left on, as it's in contact with the mouth, that bacteria can cause gingival problems. So good on you for wearing your retainer, but I think it's just some tips on how to keep retainers clean. The most common cause of losing a retainer is a family pet grabbing it and burying it in the backyard. Why? A little dog loves the smell of this. It smells like a bone. So another reason we want to keep it away from little puppies is so that they don't destroy the retainer. So if it's not in the mouth, it should be kept well away from household pets in a glass with this tablet, which is cleaning it. And then before you put it in your mouth, get a toothbrush, give it a good clean, click it in. And ideally this should be worn after dinner and at night time.